Hi, I'm Mike from FormKiQ, and today I'm going to show you how you can install OpenSearch into your FormKiQ Enterprise installation. Today I'm going to assume that you already have your FormKiQ Enterprise already installed like you see here. I have a dev instance installed. And then I'm going to go to my Enterprise GitHub page that has been provided to me. On your Enterprise page, if you scroll down, we provide you with a number of one-click installation links. So here there are two OpenSearch installation links, one for installing with a VPC and one for installing without a VPC. Today we'll install the one with the VPC. The only difference without the VPC is you don't need this first step of installing the FormKiQ VPC link. As I said earlier, I've already done the install FormKiQ Enterprise link, so I have an instance already installed. So now I'll install the FormKiQ VPC. This FormKiQ VPC script automatically creates a VPC specially configured to work with FormKiQ and OpenSearch. It's very straightforward to install. All you need to do is run the script, give it a stack name. You'll need to remember this name later on. Enter any subnets that you would like to have. So right now there are 3 private subnets that you can configure and 3 public subnets. There are 3 subnets because in our region there are typically 3 availability zones, so we'll want to have a subnet running in each availability zone. You can customize the sliders to meet your network needs, but right now I'll leave them as they are. So now we'll click Create Stack and we'll create the VPC stack. This will take a few minutes to run, so I'll pause the video now and come back once it's finished. The VPC has finished being created. If you click on the Outputs tab, it'll show you the different subnets and the public subnets and the private subnets that were created. You'll need to take a special note of the private subnets that were created, as you'll need them when you install OpenSearch. You also need to record the name of the stack that we created. So in this case, the stack name is FormKiQ-VPC. So if we go back to our GitHub page, this time we'll click on the Install OpenSearch with VPC, and we'll click Next. So once again, we'll change the stack name to match dev and the app environment to match dev. This app environment variable needs to match the FormKiQ Enterprise installation that we created earlier, so they both need to be the same. In this case, we're going to create a very simple OpenSearch with only a single data node and no master nodes. So we need to give the OpenSearch a name. The VPC stack name is the name that we used to create the VPC stack, so we called it FormKiQ-VPC. And then here we need to select which subnets we want OpenSearch to be deployed into. So we want to pick one of the private subnets. Since we only have one data node, we only need to pick one subnet. If we had multiple data nodes, then we would need to select multiple subnets. So for example, if we had 3 data nodes, then we'd want to select all 3 private subnets. So then one data node would be in each one of them. This would ensure that we would have the most reliability and availability for our data nodes. And now we'll just create our stack. Deploying an OpenSearch stack can take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. So once again, I'll pause the video and come back once it's been created. As you can see, our OpenSearch stack has finished creating. Now our last step is to connect our OpenSearch and our VPC to our FormKiQ Enterprise installation. So we do that by selecting our FormKiQ installation, select Update. We can use our current template. And then here where it says the OpenSearch stack name, we'll put in the stack name of our OpenSearch. Right here where it says VPC stack name, we'll put in the stack name of our VPC. And then we'll click Update Stack. Our FormKiQ Enterprise stack will now get updated. This will take a few minutes as well, so I'll pause the video again and come back after it finishes. As you can see, our enterprise stack has finished updating successfully. This FormKiQ stack is now connected to OpenSearch and all the APIs are now enabled. I hope that shows how easy it is to connect FormKiQ to OpenSearch. Thanks for watching.